Team 101. In this video we will be analyzing the gold from a technical perspective. This is the part 1 of the video. The second part would be based on the fundamentals moving the market for the gold for the next week. So do watch that. The link would be in the description in the end screen or in the above icon. And if you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing as I upload the forecast on the gold and other forex commodities and currencies plus stocks. So the analysis will be from 20 till 24 July. So let's begin. We are currently on a 1 week chart for the gold. Here we can see an divergence, which is an regular bearish divergence, as the market is continuously making an higher high. However, the indicator is also making a continuous lower low, some around here till here. Thus we can see that the market is going in an upwards trend. However, the indicator is going in a downwards trend. Thus the regular bearish divergence theory suggests that we could experience a bearish move when there is an regular bearish divergence occurred. Moreover, we can draw an support trend line would be somewhere around here till here. We can see that the market has been respecting the support trend line, and the previous 6 week of 1 and 1.5 months we can see that the market has been testing this at every week. First week we have seen a test, on a second week we have seen a test, on a third week we haven't seen a test. However, on a fourth week we have, on fifth and sixth currently we again have seen a test. Moreover, we can also draw a support trend line on RSI. That would be some around like this, and we can also see that the RSI is making a symmetrical triangle pattern too. Moreover, we can also plot the major resistance which the market is currently experiencing. Let me draw that. That would be some around here. Till here. Zooming in, we can see here the market has been respecting this resistance area, and we currently can see that the gold has tried to break above the resistance. However, it wasn't able to, and here we can see that the market has been testing this resistance area in the past, and we have seen a huge sell off some around. After testing here, we have seen a sell off from 1806 till some around 1521. That's a move of some around 3000 to 4000 points in the gold. Again we have seen a test towards the resistance, then some around 1785. Then we have seen again a sale of some around 1530. Then again we have seen a test, and we have seen a huge sale off, and from where we have seen that the gold market has been currently going down. Thus we are currently testing this area, and I believe that we could potentially break above this resistance area, turning into a support. Now moving on in a smaller time frame, on one day chart. Let me remove my drawings. So on a 1 day chart we can draw the symmetrical pattern, triangle pattern. This would be the support of that pattern, and this would be the resistance of that pattern. Let me redraw that. That would be some around here. Here we can see a symmetrical pattern, and we currently has tested the above resistance, then we have tested the lower support. Now what we are expecting, that the market on a Monday we can either see a sell off towards the support, and then we will eventually see a bullish run up as we have seen over here and here and over here. Thus we are expecting a bullish run up for the gold, testing its higher highs, all-time highs some around 1920. Moreover, on an one-day chart, we can also draw a channel which would be an auto channel. Let me draw that. This would be the support of the channel. And this would be the resistance of the channel. We can see that the market has been respecting this channel. Whenever we have seen a touch, sale of touch, sale of touch, sale of, and currently we have tested the support and we are heading towards testing the above resistance. Moreover, on a one-day chart, let me remove all my drawings. On a one-day chart, we can also see in regular bearish divergence. Do watch the video to the end as I will be giving the summary and what we should do for the gold for the next week, and where would be our entry triggers point and where would be our take profit and stop losses with all analysis. Do watch that. Here we can see an regular bearish divergence as the market is continuously making an higher high move from here till here, whereas the indicator is making an lower high move from here till here. Now going on a more further small time frame on a 4-hourly chart. Let me remove my drawings. On a 4-hourly chart, we also have seen a regular bearish divergence, market making an high move, indicator making a lower high move. Moreover, on a 4-hourly chart, we can see an ascending or an inner ascending channel. Let me draw that. This would be the support of the channel, and this would be above resistance of the channel. Thus we have seen some fake breakout, and here I have given a signal to the team 101 to go long some around here. You can check that forecast. Here we have given a buy signal some around 1799 with a take profit of above resistance, which was some around 1885. If we potentially continue to respect this channel, thus what I am expecting on the Monday, or where we should trigger our entries, would be a retest towards the support, turning into an support. Thus, this would be a great opportunity to go long some around 1806 with a first take profit of this recent highs, with our stop losses just placed below the trend line. The prediction our stop losses would be placed some around 1786, with our first take profit would be some around 1815. This trade will give an extra reward of 1:0.39. Do remember that it's our first take profit, it's not our final take profit, so the extra reward is very less. And our final take profit would be some around 1841, and our extra reward has been increased to 1.66. Thus in total we will get an extra reward of approx 1:2. Thus here is the symmetrical triangle. Moreover, removing this, we can see an bullish flag pattern being formed. This kind of patterns only form when we have seen an bullish run up in the markets, and this is the bullish flag. Here we have seen a bullish run up in the market, and here we can see that the market is consolidating. So the great opportunity to go long as told would be some around here, or we can either see a breakout upwards, which would be some around here. Thus now where should a trader trade this bullish flag? The idea behind is that we can either wait for a pullback towards the support, or if we see a breakout upwards on a 4-hourly time frame or on 1-day chart, best on 1-day chart. Thus we will trigger a long position on a retest towards the resistance, turning to a support, which would be somewhere around here, with our stop losses just placed somewhere around 1800 with our take profit of 1830, 1829. Now going on 2-hourly chart. On a 2-hourly chart, here we can see an horizontal channel being formed. Let me remove my drawings. The horizontal channel would be some around here. This would be the support of the channel. Thus this is a great opportunities for the scalpers or intraday traders who take trade and execute their trade within a day, and enter their trade in a day, and exit their trades in a day. Thus we will be looking for any pullback opportunities for the gold some around 1917.95 that will give a signal to us to go long, and with our first take profit of 1815, and our second take profit would be some around 1835 till 1829. Moreover, going on another time frame on a 1-day chart, here we can see a hidden bullish divergence. Let me remove it. Here we can see that the market is making an higher low some around here till here. However, the indicator should also make an higher low. However, the indicator is making an lower low some around here till here as shown. Now going on a 30 minutes time frame, we can see a symmetrical pattern being formed. Let me remove my drawings. This would be the above resistance of the symmetrical triangle. And this would be the support of this symmetrical triangle. Some around here till here. Just again, this theory also suggests that we can experience a short base sale off some around 1802. However, we can further continue at sale off some around 1795. Then we can see a bullish run up. Now I will be list downing the technical patterns based on bullish and bearish, and then we will be analyzing them, and then we will tell them what a trader should do. The first bearish pattern which we have analyzed is on a 1-week chart, that is in regular bearish divergence. Then the second bearish signal which we have analyzed is also on a 1-week chart, which is in testing major resistance. Then the third bearish signal is symmetrical triangle tested on an analyzed on a 1-day chart. Then another regular bearish divergence on a 1-day chart. Then on 4-hourly chart we have seen in regular bearish divergence the fifth pattern. Then the sixth bearish pattern is the horizontal channel testing the above resistance. Then our seventh or the final bearish signal or the analysis is the symmetrical triangle testing the above resistance, as you can see on the screen. Now coming on the bullish patterns, the first bullish pattern is the support trend line and the testing the chart and the RSI on a 1 week chart. Then on a daily chart, we have an outer ascending triangle, another second bullish pattern. Then the third bullish pattern is the inner ascending triangle. Then our fourth bullish pattern is the bullish flag. Then our fifth bullish pattern is the hidden bullish divergence. So in total we have 7 bearish patterns being formed for the week ahead from 20 till 24 July, and we have 5 bullish patterns being formed for the gold. Now coming to the summary, what a trader should do is that we are currently bearish for the gold for a shorter time frame, which means we can see the bearish move for the gold on Monday or on Tuesday, but from Wednesday, Thursday and Friday we are bullish for the gold. And the fact why we are bearish is due to the news which are roaming around due to the vaccine, which I will explain in the part 2. Do watch that in order to take your position in a more clear mode. Thus here we have on an 4-hourly chart, here we have drawn a symmetrical pattern. We have seen that the market has been respecting. Thus this will give a great opportunity. Let me calculate it. Look, if we break out upwards or downwards, we can experience a move of some around 43 points in the gold, which means if we see and break out upwards, we can see a move from 1810 till some around 1834, and if we break out downwards, we can see a move some around 1777, testing the lower support. Now what a trader should do is that we will be waiting for the market to either test this support trend line. This would be our entry trigger to go long with a take profit of recent highs, which would be some around 1817, and our second take profit according to the ascending triangle, both inner and outer, as explained in the before video or in the previous part of the video, would be some around 1831. However, if we haven't seen a touch, however, if we do not experience any touch towards the support, rather we see a touch, rather we see an breakout upwards. Thus, this would be an excellent. This would be an excellent opportunity to go long some around here, with our first take profit would be placed some around recent highs, and our second take profit would be placed some around 1882, with our stop losses just placed below the resistance zone. Thus again repeating, we are bullish for the market for the gold for the next week. However, we can potentially see some reversals on the Monday, and the reversal target, if break this support trend line, would be some around 1795, as explained in the previous part of the video. Thus the reversal target would be some around 1791, and that would be a great opportunity to go long some around 1791. However, if we see in breakout upwards, we will go for a long position on pullback. If we see in test towards the support, we will trigger a long position, and keep in mind, never sell on gold. If we sell on gold, that means we are risking our money in gambling. So do not go sell on gold in current fundamentals, which I will be explaining in my second part of the video. So we are bullish for the gold for the next week. However, Monday and Tuesday we can potentially see an pullback or a correction that will be a great opportunity to go long. And if you do like my video, do like, share and comment below, and if you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.